let's go. Guys, welcome back to the channel and back for another ride. So we're back on the Navi, man. We took the paddle off. That was a killer weekend, but we're out here in a place called Smith Valley or Wilson Canyon, whatever you want to refer to it as. A lot of the locals kind of bounce back and forth, but it's a really neat area. There's a lot of crazy features, so like it's like the bottom of the ocean feel, you know. I really enjoy it out here. I'm stoked to get everyone out. So but yeah, we'll pretty much go hit all this, check out some hill climbs, ravine status around this mountain, up to the top, on top of all of those ridges, and then hit that huge mountain over there, and we'll ride back on like some badass trails out in the valley.
How's this hill climb right here? Is that pretty gnarly?
Yeah, I went up to look at it, dude, and it turns into some cliffs and shit.
I want to go up that one.
Let's go check them out. Gosh, this place is amazing. Boom, yeah. Look at that boulder, dude. This thing's crazy. You know how badass it'd be to come out here and eat some mushrooms? Just get high as fuck and chase coyotes, dude. Anyone wanting to hate doesn't know how to live life. Dude, just look at that, guys. Dude, did you get the balloon knot factor tie? You do? That shit's savage, huh?
Yeah. Thought I was going down that fucking hill, dude. Yeah. Oh, no, I can't go down it. I can't. Yeah, you grab mine, though. Can't go down that son of a bitch, dude. I literally looked at it. Oh, hell no.
No. Oh yeah, everyone's fired up, dude. It's cool when you like don't have to do, you know, like go hit an 80-foot jump to get that adrenaline. You just be in the right place and you're like, holy shit. It's like going skiing, like big mountain skiing, you know, you go ride a terrain park, you gotta do like a 900 to feel juicy. Well, you can go out and you go out and you just get on these steep trails, you feel the same thing, dude. It's insane. Here we go. Dropping in, dude. This shit's bad. cruising. Oh boy, keep it together, Brando. Maybe just even lay off the brakes. Hell yeah, dude. How did that feel, Brando?
I don't know yet.
You don't know yet. Dude, you film it?
Yep.
Yes! Yeah, you got a shitty way out. I'd get on the side of that hill. Just straight to the bottom. Yeah, that was
Working? Yeah.
You didn't break nothing?
You didn't break.
That is kind of gnarly.
Yeah, that thing's can savage. Here, I'm gonna go over. All right, so we got a massive hill climb right here, dude. Uncle Ty is just gonna go for this right line straight up, so I'm gonna go up here and try to get a sick view for you guys. We'll see what happens here. I think the vibe's at an all-time high today. Yeah! Now I gotta do it, dude. Dang, dude, that's sketchy. You don't get a run at it at all.
No, not from that bottom turn you're steering, huh?
Fuck.
I gotta do it again.
First gear, don't do second. It's a first gear.
The whole thing almost, huh?
Just straight down, dude. Interesting coming down that. Fuck. Just come a railing, dude. No stopping on that hill. Check this out. right. Almost went head in the... Like a big snake, dude. Just jump. Oh, flame out. It's all cool. Keep the flow going like water. Dude, crushing. I'll pass them in the rocks. See if I can get it. Let's drink a beer, dude. All right, that was a hell of a break, dude. Everyone's feeling good now. short loop. There's another loop that goes farther, but I can tell everyone's really tired, so make our way. We got lost on those hill climbs and stuff. Maybe for another ride, come back out and take everyone the long way.